Hello, Dr. Friday is here today, and I'm excited to guide you through the process of summing negative value in Excel. Right? So let's get started. Right, so you have information, dates, customers, and amount. So here I decided to use customer A, B, C, D, and identify my customers. Okay, now I'm interested in summing up these negative value from this information. Okay, so what you need to do, you come and use SUMIF function. SUMIF function. Okay, this SUMIF function will help you to sum up the value in a range. Okay, in this range, right? Beginning, that's from here down this point. To help you to sum those values in the range that are less than 0. In the simplest term, it means that I'm going to calculate all the negative number within this specific cell range. Okay, so what I need to do, I'll come and say equal to SUMIF, take the range, which is this. Okay, then type comma. Then this criteria now, you use double quotes of less than 0, then double quotes close. Then you close the parentheses. Press enter. So if you do that, you have been able to sum only the negative values of this data set. Okay, so it's as simple as that. All right, so if you find this content helpful and believe it will benefit others, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and